Hello everybody. Today I have another Detainer lock for you. It's an ABUS X Plus core. Here's the key card and the key. They have this signature tip here. And yeah, the bidding is, I don't know if you know that, but basically the bidding for an X Plus is written from left here. The X is then the indication for an X Plus core. And then if you follow the bidding here, it would be 3, that would be 3, 2, 3, 3, 5, and 2. So it's a 6-disc lock. And yeah, what does this key actually operate? It's this massive bike lock here. Let's open it quickly. The model number is 54160, but I think that's actually a 300 millimeter bar. Yeah, the X Plus cores are really nice because they are all front tensioning, or yeah, always the first disc is a zero cut. So I've set up a vise at the other end of the table basically to hold this lock upright and yeah, keep it in frame. Usually I pick this in hand, but for you guys I put it in a vise so you don't lose it out of frame. So in addition to the 6 discs, there's always a zero cut in the front. So yeah, you have these 6 discs. I've shown the bidding here, right? Like this. And in addition to that, you always have a zero cut disc in the front. So this one you can tension off always. The thing with the X Plus is that the spaces between discs is quite thin, and I had to modify the sparrows tip a bit. I filed down a bit a few times, so it slides better between the discs. It still could use some more filing. Sometimes I get caught between the discs, but it works actually quite okay. But we will see how it turns out now. So yeah, usually they would have this disc locking mechanism, but in that case for this lock, this does not work really anymore. And I set up the tool like this, so I have set it to 10 rings here if it touches like this, and yeah, let's get picking. Now I have to put my hand for tensioning up here. I hope the shadows are not too bad. Maybe get a light there. Yeah, I hope the lighting is okay. Yeah, moves quite good through the lock. And yeah, let's just start. Not really binding back here. Or did I apply enough tension? Let's check again. Oh, this feels like a gate. Could be a gate here. In the beginning, it's always hard to tell where the gates are. Maybe here. Let's find the next disc. Yep, negate. Let's find the next disk. Strongly binding. Maybe here. Binding tightly. Click. Feels like a false gate. Yeah, better. So I have not counted the disks. I rarely do that. But let's see if we can get to another. Yeah. So there's one more, at least. No way. Really? Okay. Did not expect it. Usually this gives it much more fighting. Okay. Yeah, clearly open. Okay. Usually I have to go forth and back with this lock. Amazing. Cool. Did not expect that. So, yeah, I guess that's all I have on this ABUS X Plus 54160. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.